yes, there has to be an action list. So in the morning, it was what 3 things you're going to get accomplished today that are toward your goal. And sometimes I try to use, I got my laundry done today as, an accomplishment, but that one doesn't count, right?
No, it does not.
Really quickly, what 3 things are going to get done today that are toward your goal, because we have life and other things that are coming up with this. And then in the evening, checking it. Did you get it accomplished? If you didn't, why not? Let's talk about what the obstacle was and how we can overcome that so that you can get those 3 things done tomorrow.